Guys, do you know that Pi Network is planning to take over all the financial transaction in the world? Just wait and watch this video as I'm going to explain everything to you in less than 8 minutes. When I mean financial transaction, I mean payment. As we all know that technology is taking over in the world now, and you can trade your business and market even without having a shop or going to the market. Yes, this is even possible in a place like China, India, and the United States. This is a country with a very large commercial activities. So with this, people all over the world are getting interest about this type of business. But there is one big problem about this, which is the payment method, and that is where the Pi network come into place. In a place like the United States, a lot of people are already using Bitcoin as their payment method to buy and sell goods. And also some other places like El Salvador, the Legislative Assembly of El Salvador, which recognized Bitcoin as legal cash in their country. El Salvador also became the first nation in the world to do so. The president of El Salvador backed it, saying that it would boost foreign investment and the country's economy by making banking more accessible to the people of El Salvador. As you can see, every county are fighting for their economic growth, and a lot of county are now being to adapt to the cryptocurrency method. So if we take Bitcoin and the Pi network into consideration, we can find out that there is a large difference between them. Well, as we all know that Bitcoin is tradable, why the Pi network is not, as is still in development. Now let's do some analysis to find out something. Which of these coins will take over? Now, if you take Bitcoin, you will find out that not everyone understand the blockchain technology of Bitcoin, and less than 30 million people are using Bitcoin in all aspect of trading and transaction. And if we look into the Pi network, they are over 200 million people that are mining the Pi network. Now, what do you think will happen if the Pi network was launched and start trading and transaction? I think it will get to 1 billion. And this is what will make a lot of people to start trading with the Pi network. And it will take over the whole of the cryptocurrency market. If you believe so, please, type Pi network to the world for me in the comment section. And if you do not believe that, also let me know in the comment section of this video with your proof, and I will prove you wrong. And also, do you know that the Pi network is the fastest mode of cryptocurrency payment? It only takes less than 3 seconds for you to transfer Pi from one wallet to the other. This is what a lot of people who are in business wanted, as nobody want his or her payment to be delayed for days and even weeks. So now tell me, why do you think that the Pi network will not take over the whole of the payment method all around the world? As we all know that the Pi network is now the most talked about cryptocurrency in the world, and a lot of people are coming every day by day. There is no place in the entire world that you can't find a Pi network miners, as is the most simplest cryptocurrency mining. All you have to do is to press a button every day, which will just take you less than 3 seconds to do that. Unlike other cryptocurrency mining that you have to spend a lot of money on energy because it uses a lot of power, the Pi network just need your mobile phone. Just download the app from Google Play Store or Apple Store, and that's all. Then you start mining for free. If you haven't started mining, please go to the description of this video. You will find my referral link. Click it and start mining to receive free Pi coins. You don't have to miss out on this, as this will be your last chance to do so. If you miss Bitcoin, don't miss Pi network. I have been explaining the importance of the Pi network, but I have not tell you what will be the benefit of it. Now let me tell you what will be the benefit of the Pi network when you start mining. One of the biggest benefit that you will receive on mining the Pi network is that when the Pi network is finally launched into the mainnet, you can exchange your Pi coins to fiat money, meaning that you are going to receive a free money. Let's me bust your bubble a little bit. When the Pi network launch at $100 per coin, and let's for example you have 100 mine Pi coins in your wallet, and you exchange the whole of them to fiat currency, that means you will have a total of $10,000 for free. Wait. I know you are excited about this, but what if you have 1,000 Pi coins in your wallet and the Pi network finally launch at $314 per Pi? How much do you think you are going to receive when you exchange your coins? A lot of money, right? Well, this is just one out of 100 benefits of the Pi network coin. I don't want to take much of your time. I could have explained further. Just like and subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to talk about it later. You can't afford to miss out on this. So make sure you get started now. There is still no mechanism to formally add the Pi currency to your portfolio. After the mainnet blockchain is completely open, the Pi cryptocurrency will be able to withdraw or exchange their coins. Pi cannot be transferred while a test is being conducted. This is done, according to the project's website, to stop phony accounts from gaining Bitcoin. When Pi switches from development mode to becoming a fully live network, wallet balances should be honored. As a result, the coin is not yet legitimately accessible for trading on any exchange or trading platform for cryptocurrencies. Pi Network's intentions are still up for debate, as is whether it is a genuine project or a fraud. If it is a hoax, it isn't a typical Ponzi scheme because participants aren't investing money. Instead, they are investing time on their smartphones. The platform posted an announcement on Twitter that included that number. Regarding the overall number of pioneers, there have been no updates since. Early adopters, however, are buying up Pi cryptocurrency in expectation of a sharp price increase once the network becomes live. Although the mining rate for the coin has been cut in half, by establishing connections with other active miners, users can accelerate their mining rate. Only people who have received a referral code from another user are eligible to join the Pi network. The assertion made by the project's creators that these personal networks improve security on the Pi network and encourage users to invite friends and family has fueled doubts that it might be a multi-level marketing or pyramid scheme. Users cannot earn coins through the networks of their contacts, unlike in an MLM program, and can only earn coins from their direct networks. Pi Network has maintained that it is not conducting a crowd sale or initial coin offering, ICO, and the coins that can now be produced on the contained mainnet environmental system. The creators announced that the enclosed network period will provide pioneers time to complete their KYC verification, and make changes to the mainnet, and introduce more apps. They merely stated that the enclosed network phase is in keeping with Pi's vision of a utility-based ecosystem and its iterative methodology, without specifying when the network will become open. More than a year later, on March 14, 2023, the co-founder of Pi, Nicholas Kokalis, declared that the platform intended to move users' accounts who had successfully passed KYC checks on the mainnet. Although the price of Pi has not yet been determined, certain algorithm-based websites and cryptocurrency observers have already tried to anticipate the price of Pi. Let's examine what the Pi price is. According to information from cryptocurrency forecast and monitoring services, any forecast of the pricing of the Pi network for the years 2023 and beyond, all the way to 2030, would therefore be exceedingly speculative. The launch date and subsequent performance of the cryptocurrency could affect the value of the Pi coin in 2030. Some social media users have provided estimates that range from $1 to hundreds of dollars. And I will stop here for now. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next one.